On April 15, 1912, the unthinkable happened. The RMS Titanic, a ship believed to be unsinkable, struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. This majestic ocean liner, carrying over 2,200 souls, sank beneath the waves, claiming the lives of more than 1,500 people. The disaster sent shockwaves around the world, forever changing maritime history. The sinking of the Titanic wasn't just a maritime tragedy, it was a stark reminder of the power of nature and the fragility of human life. The event exposed flaws in safety regulations and led to significant changes in maritime practices. The world mourned the loss of life, and the legend of the Titanic began. The sinking of the Titanic remains one of the deadliest maritime disasters in history. The event exposed the limitations of technology and the importance of preparedness in the face of disaster. Despite the tragedy, the story of the Titanic continues to captivate the world. Immediately following the disaster, search efforts were launched to recover bodies and debris from the Titanic. Ships were dispatched to the site, but the vastness of the ocean and the limitations of technology made the task incredibly difficult. Hundreds of bodies were recovered, but many remained lost at sea. The sinking of the Titanic led to a public outcry for improved safety measures on ships. International regulations were strengthened, requiring ships to carry enough lifeboats for all passengers and crew. The International Ice Patrol was also established to monitor iceberg activity in the North Atlantic, aiming to prevent similar tragedies in the future. Despite these efforts, the exact location of the Titanic's wreck remained a mystery for decades. The investigation into the sinking brought to light the need for improved communication technology at sea. The tragedy spurred the development of new maritime laws and technologies aimed at preventing future disasters. For over 7 decades, the Titanic lay undisturbed on the ocean floor, its exact location unknown. Then in 1985, a team led by Dr. Robert Ballard, using advanced sonar technology, finally located the wreck. The discovery was a pivotal moment, reigniting global interest in the Titanic. The Titanic was discovered approximately 12,500 feet beneath the surface, broken into 2 main sections. The ship's bow and stern were found about 2,000 feet apart, a testament to the immense forces that tore the ship apart as it sank. The discovery of the wreck marked the beginning of a new chapter in the Titanic story. The location of the wreck in international waters sparked debates about salvage rights and the ethical implications of disturbing the site. International agreements were put in place to protect the wreck as a maritime memorial and to ensure the respectful treatment of any artifacts recovered. Since its discovery, numerous expeditions have been conducted to study the wreck and recover artifacts. These expeditions have provided invaluable insights into the ship's construction, the events leading up to its sinking, and the lives of those on board. Thousands of artifacts have been recovered, from personal belongings to pieces of the ship itself. The study of the Titanic's wreck has contributed significantly to our understanding of maritime history and the process of shipwreck deterioration. The artifacts recovered from the site offer poignant glimpses into the lives of the passengers and crew and serve as a reminder of the human cost of this tragedy. The Titanic continues to fascinate people around the world, serving as a reminder of the power of nature, the importance of safety at sea, and the enduring human spirit. Efforts are underway to preserve the wreck for future generations, ensuring that the lessons learned from this tragedy are never forgotten.